Hey everyone, what's going on? So you know how frustrating it is, right, to waste your hard-earned in-game currency on players who just, well, let's be honest, don't really cut it. If you're looking to seriously up your game in EAFC Mobile by mastering, and I mean truly mastering, the art of player trading and exchange, then you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. Trust me, you won't regret it. All right, so let's dive right in, shall we? First off, we gotta chat about understanding player value. Look, it's no secret that a player's rating is a pretty big deal, right? Higher ratings usually, but not always, translate to higher selling prices. But hey, don't just get hung up on the rating alone. Think about the player's rarity, their position on the field, the league they're in, and even which country they're from. Sometimes those factors can be, even more important than the rating itself when it comes to determining how much a player is really worth. Next up, let's get into market research. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Knowing the market is super crucial. Make it a habit to regularly check out player prices so you know what's what. Oh, and here's a little pro tip for you. The time of day and even the specific day of the week can actually affect player prices. Yeah, for real. And don't forget, in-game events can totally turn the market upside down, so keep an eye on that. All right, now let's switch gears and talk about some buying strategies. So first on the list is what we call sniping. This is all about nabbing players for, a lot less than what they're usually worth. Then we've got investing. That's where you buy players at a low price, hang on to them, and then bam, sell them later when their value shoots up. And hey, don't overlook bulk buying, especially if you're into squad building challenges, or SBCs for short. Buy up a bunch of inexpensive players and then use them to complete challenges, and you can snag yourself some pretty sweet rewards. Okie dokie, so you've bought these players, but what's next? How do you sell them? Timing, my friends, is absolutely everything. The length of time you list your players for can seriously impact how fast they sell. Shorter times can lead to quick sales, but you might not get top dollar. Longer times could attract more buyers, but yeah, you'll likely have to wait a bit longer to cash in. Let's not forget about exchanging players, because, it's not just about buying and selling. If you've got players you don't really want, think about using them in SBCs or as, training fodder for your main lineup. This way, every player has a purpose, even the ones you're not super stoked about. All right, so here's a quick word on risk management. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, guys. Spread out your investments in various players to keep things balanced. Always have some extra cash in reserve and keep tabs on any updates or changes that could shake up the market. So, a few extra nuggets of wisdom for you. If you're dealing with high-demand players, you might want to get creative with your trading and exchanging strategies to maximize those profits. And if you're still kind of new to all this, you can find tons of tips and info on platforms like the EAFC Mobile subreddit and a whole bunch of YouTube channels that focus exclusively on this game. Oh, and one last thing. Why even bother with all this trading and exchanging stuff? Well, folks, this is how you go from zero to hero. It's how you build up your dream team, how you stack up more coins, and how you make the most out of players you'd otherwise just ignore. And there you have it, guys. That's the rundown on how to totally crush it when it comes to the player market in EAFC Mobile. If you got something useful out of this video, do me a solid and smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hey, share it with all your friends who are also looking to level up their game. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.